While Louis Khurshid there is saying that there is no CAG report whatsoever, we can point out to you here that the government's own auditor, the Controller and Auditor General, has also corroborated headlines to his findings on Khurshid's trust. Now, headlines today are quite a copy of that CAG audit report, which lists the irregularities in implementing the scheme of assistance of disabled persons for purchase of aids. You can see the pictures of that report on your screen, something which is completely dismissed by Louis Khurshid. The scheme was one that the Zakir Hussain Trust ran in 17 districts of Uttar Pradesh. 10 of those districts have reported irregularities. In another place there, the CAG preliminary audit questions the misappropriation of the grant of 71.5 lakh rupees interest and the regular release of a further grant of 68.25 lakh rupees. Now, the CAG then goes on to show the claims made by various districts that Khurshid's trust is accused of forging signatures to allow the release of these grants. It finally concludes that on one hand, the entire grant of 71.5 lakh rupees was not utilized by the trust for the purpose of which it was sanctioned. On the other hand, the wrong report regarding the organization of a camp was given by the trust. In fact, the Social Justice Ministry, the UP government, are also probing the activities of the trust, and while the Congress is so far defending Khurshid, his opponents are calling for his head.
देखिए, ये जो IAC है, जिसको कुछ हमारे वकील दोस्त मजाक में इल्जाम और आरोप कॉरपोरेशन कहते हैं, इंसिनुएशन एंड एलिगेशन कंपनी, इन्होंने ये अपना पेशा बना लिया है कि किसी व्यक्ति के ऊपर भी कोई भी मनगढ़ंत आरोप लगा देते हैं।
अच्छा है, राजनीतिक सीढ़ियां चढ़ने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं और जिस रास्ते से हम लोग गुजरे हैं अब उस पे आ रहे हैं।
As far as Kejriwal ji is concerned, he is in habit to do all this nonsense. But if anybody submits any complaint, government will definitely look into it and will take an appropriate action.
जो लाखों करोड़ के घोटाले किए तो किए, दीनहीन दुखी असहाय विकलांगों का भी हक मार लिया। दीन दुखियों का, बेसहारा लोगों का जो हक मारते हैं, वो यहां तो इधर उधर चालाकियां करके हो सकता है अपने आप को बचाने की कोशिश कर ले, भगवान के हाथों जवाब इनको देना पड़ेगा।
Allegations against the family of Mr. Salman Khurshid are very, very serious, and Mr. Salman Khurshid should come out with a detailed statement rather than shooting the messenger and leveling counter allegations against them or attributing motives will not help. What is being said is wholly correct or partly correct. Then he must accept it and take the consequences, and then the Honorable Prime Minister also must take cognizance.
अब वो भारत सरकार के मंत्री हैं, अमिताभ जी को नैतिक दायित्व होता है कि नहीं? अब सीआईडी की रिपोर्ट भी आ गई है और बड़ा सवाल ये है कि सामाजिक न्याय विभाग ने केंद्र सरकार के वो लाखों रुपए का फंड कैसे रिलीज कर दिया, जबकि जो पदाधिकारी जिनके नाम पर चिट्ठी लिखी गई है वो कह रहे हैं हमने साइन ही नहीं किया। लेकिन सरकार का कुछ मानवीय दृष्टिकोण होता है कि नहीं? मैं मांग करता हूं ऐसे सारे अपने बंधुओं को जो उन्होंने प्रदर्शन किया तुरंत रिहा किया जाए और सरकार इसको प्रेस्टीज का विषय नहीं बनाया जाए। ये राजनीति से ऊपर है।